Hello everybody, my name is Andrew from BrickMeisterZ, and I'm here with the new LEGO Ideas Starry Night set. This classic painting was created by Vincent Van Gogh back in 1889, and LEGO recently revealed the new LEGO Starry Night set as a 3D mosaic inside a picture frame. And believe it or not, this was a day one purchase for me. I love the set, and Starry Night is one of my favorite paintings ever. And what's so cool is that the new LEGO Starry Night set would be perfect next to other LEGO art sets. If you have not seen my review of the new LEGO Ideas Starry Night set on the BrickMeisterZ channel, feel free to check it out afterwards. But the question is, where are you going to display the new LEGO Starry Night set? Well, let me tell you why. Over on the back, there is this picture hanger made out of these LEGO Technic pieces. And this can be used to hang the LEGO Starry Night picture on your wall like any other LEGO art set. And that's what we're showing you in this video. I'm going to be showing you how to display the new LEGO Ideas Starry Night set by hanging it on the wall. In order to hang up the LEGO Starry Night painting on the wall, what you need is the LEGO Ideas Starry Night set, a hammer, a screwdriver, a drywall anchor, and a screw. So now that we got everything, my dad will teach me how to do it. What do you say, Dad?
Let's do it.
Good. What Dad's doing right now is tapping the drywall anchor with a hammer into the wall.
Now I got the screwdriver to drive in the drywall anchor.
Yeah? See how he's doing it?
Now, we get the screw.
Yep, it's in my hand.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that will take the screwdriver from my hand and screw it into the wall for the dry anchor. And now we are screwing the screw into the anchor.
Okay, now hand me the picture.
Alright, so it's about to be time. Place Starry Night on the wall. There we go. It's all hanging up and ready to go. Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
We used a hammer and a screwdriver, and look what we did with Starry Night. We hung it on the wall. Isn't that beautiful? And there you have it. That's how you display the new LEGO Ideas Starry Night set by hanging it on the wall. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video as much as I do. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the BrickMeisterZ channel for more LEGO tutorial videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.